Hello everybody, I am Hina Sheikh. On behalf of St. Paul's High School, I welcome you all. Today we are going to learn a lesson in English. The name of the lesson is It's Only a Matter of Practice Part 1. It's a very interesting lesson. So kids, be very much attentive when I am explaining this lesson. As I said earlier, this lesson, it's only a matter of practice, is a beautiful story about a Chinese man. People who live in China are called as Chinese, as we who live in India are called as Indians. So kids, be with me and watch the video till the end.
Hello kids. Our today's lesson is from Balbharti textbook for standard 4 and the name of the lesson is It's Only a Matter of Practice Part 1. It's only a matter of practice. Long ago, in a faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. Now, this story tells us that this man named Chen Yaozi, who lived in China, was an archer. Now, who is an archer? Archer is a person who shoots arrows from a bow. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Means he was a very skilled and he could perform wonderful feats of archery. Wonderful feats means achievements that require a lot of skills, strength, etc. So, he was very skilled and could perform his archery with great talent and skills. He could hit the target precisely at the center, even when it was placed at a very long distance. Means he could hit the target precisely. Precisely means exactly, accurately, even though his target was placed at a very long distance. Getting kids? He liked to show off his skills to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. Means he was a man who would like to show off his skills, perform various kinds of tricks to the admiring crowds. He used to do lovely skills with his archery. People would admire him. Now, what is this admiring people? People loved to see him, praise him. Always people were clapping for him. And so, there were always people gathered around him. Getting class? Let's move to the second paragraph. One day he was practicing his skills in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. Now, here in this paragraph, we see that the skilled archer, that is Chen Yaozi, when he was practicing his skills in front of his admirers, now That time, among the crowd, he noticed that there was an old man standing back of him and watching him. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. The old man used to sell oil, so he had been carrying gourds of oil, which were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. Now, what is the meaning of gourds? Gourds are the containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. When the fruits dry off, their skin is used as containers to fill oil. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chinyauzi. So, when the crowd of people were admiring Chinyauzi, this old man neither clapped his hands nor was he praising him, nor was he praising Chinyauzi. He was just standing quiet. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." He just nodded his head. What is the meaning of nodded? Nodding means to shake his head. So, the old man just nodded his head and he said, "It's just a matter of practice." Okay, class. Now we move to the next paragraph. Chen Yaozi was annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" Now here Chen Yaozi was annoyed. He was angry that the old man was not appreciating him. So he went to ask the old man, "Are you an archer? And do you think that you can do all that I have done with my bow and arrows?" "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was, everything's a matter of practice." The old man very patiently replied, "No, sir," and he said that I am not an archer and have no doubts about his skill. He only said that everything is a matter of practice. Means he tried to explain Chen Yaozi by saying that I can only say that whatever you are performing is just a part of your practice, is just a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi became very angry. "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" Now here Chen Yaozi is very angry as he hears from the old man saying it's just a matter of practice. And so he asks the old man arrogantly the question that who are you and what does he think of himself? How can he pass such thoughtless comments? Thoughtless comments means to give a statement without thinking. Okay, kids, let's move ahead to the next paragraph. "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the goats. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skills in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. Seeing Chain Yuzi so much angry, the old man softly tells him that I am an oil seller. Looking at my goats, you must have guessed it. He said that I fill the gourds with oil and sell them. And since I have been doing this from many years, I have become skilled in doing this work. That is, filling the gourds with oil. And if you allow me, I will show it to you. That is, show my skills to you. Growled Chain Yuzi. Everybody was curious to see what could happen next. Growled Chain Yuzi. Growled means the voice which is full of anger. So, the archer, that is Chain Yuzi, growled and said, "Okay." And now the people around them are also curious. Curious means eager to know what is going to happen next.
So, kids, what we studied till now? We studied that the old man, that is the oil seller, is challenging Chain Yuzi. Who is Chain Yuzi? Chain Yuzi is a skilled archer who can precisely, exactly hit the target kept at a long distance. There are many questions running through the crowd's mind present over there. That how the old man, that is the oil seller, is going to show his skills of filling the gourds with the oil. To see the skill of the old man, we have to see the next part of the same lesson. That is, it's only a matter of practice, part 2. I will be back soon with the next video on the same lesson. So till then, kids, stay at home, stay safe. Bye. Thank you.